quiet.
No. Why? What the heck was that for?
Baby, are you done? Oh, you eat. You eat. Finish your food. Finish your food. Finish your food. There's more. Oh, there's more.
Fine.
Behave, behave. Eat first. Eat first.
This is our kitchen. We're homeless.
Wow.
We are outside. We're homeless.
Don't say that.
Because our house exploded.
Don't say it. Are you done, baby?
Because
There's more, oh. More food. Oh, more rice pa. Oh, more rice.
I have muscles.
What? Water? Put that?
I have muscles. Give me cold water.
What?
Yay!
Ay, daming tapon. No, baby. Do not play. Baby, sit down.
Hello mga kaklase.
Wow.
Hello mga kaklasmates. Ito yung kinakain ko kung mag-isa. Si baby naman rin.
Bakit may tapon ng...
Baby naman rin. Isa mag-isa. May tapon naman ako. Dito lang ako mga kaklase. Wala ako. Baby ko yan.